up? Hope everybody's doing well, enjoying their riding, and getting along. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you find any of this information in this video useful. So today we're going to talk about riding in the rain. Rain riding, whatever you want to call it, depending on where you live, especially if you live in the state of Florida. There's no getting away from it. There's no getting out of it. It is going to happen. So I figured I'm going to give you guys a couple pointers that I use to keep me riding safe and to get me home, to my family and all that good stuff. Point number one to me would have to be comfortable. Being comfortable with your motorcycle, your bike, whatever you want to call it, your machine, learning it, taking time to get used to the way it turns, the way it sounds, being comfortable enough to know if there's something wrong, even when you're not in the rain. So going down the road, if you could tell, okay, tire feels a little funny or something, the brake feels off, whatever, being comfortable enough and understanding the machine that you're operating. It is fun, but it's dangerous at the same time, and you have to learn your machine. Number two is your skill level. This one is kind of obvious, don't ride above your skill level. Most of us, we go through the riding course, the riding safety course, we get our endorsement, and then that's it. You forget everything they told you, even if it's not much, or you don't go out and learn and practice, and then you don't take these advanced courses to help you develop more skills that you need to control the bike better in different situations. These two could be applied to wet weather riding, rain riding. These two could be applied, and that could help save your life. Number three would have to be the right speed, the right gear, the right RPMs. Having the bike running in the rain where you're not going too slow, you're not going too fast, your RPM levels are not too low and they're not too high either, so when you let off that throttle, you're not getting the drag or you're not about to cut off. Being able to know the right RPMs to be in, right speed to be going in. You don't want to be going too slow even if it's raining. You don't want to create a hazard on the road for yourself. You don't want to be going too fast to the point where you don't have control over the bike. Some people do get overconfident with their skill level, so that's why it's a tricky thing, and it's something that we all need to work on and that we all should develop and know. Number four, knowing your surroundings. Is it a familiar road that you've been on 1,000 times before? You know all the turns, the curves, you know where everything is, all the blind spots. Also, knowing, paying attention, checking the mirrors, turning your head, seeing the cars around you, what's going on, the condition of the roads, looking up ahead, looking at the water on there, see if it's sitting water, how deep it is, how the cars are going through there, making sure that you're paying attention to everything that is going on around you, looking at the trees, seeing how the wind's blowing, how fast the wind is, paying attention to the elements, knowing your surroundings. And lastly, knowing when to stop. When the conditions are no longer safe, pull over, man. It don't make you a punk, it don't make you soft, it don't make you any less of a biker. Safety comes first. Making it home to your family should be the most important thing. If the road conditions are not fit, then hey, pull it over, let it die down, but make it back home to those kids you love, that woman you love, that man you love. Knowing when to stop. Ain't no shame in this game, man. It's all about safety and making it home. Yep. Florida bike life, man. Woo! Everything is soaked. Gloves soaked. Clothes soaked. I'm soaked. But still love it, man. Still love it. Cannot avoid the rain in Florida. If you're gonna ride here, just know that. Don't guess what's on the other side of the camera. Soaking wet.